The original settlement at Sarazm covered approximately 130 hectares, and the earthen mounds and depressions you see today corresponded with urban structures, burial sites, and water reservoirs. Sarazm is recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site because it was the first physical and cultural meeting point of the settled agriculturalists and the nomads of the Eurasian steppe. The people who lived here had a sophisticated understanding of metallurgy and traded semi-precious stones, shells, wool, copper, and tin with communities as far away as the Arabian Sea. Sarazm was the first settlement in the Central Asia to have such extensive trading connections and such a vibrant cultural exchange. The Princess of Sarazm lived in the Zaravshan Valley some 5,000 years ago. She was a wealthy member of complexly Bronze Age society, the remains of which had been forgotten and largely undisturbed until they were excavated by archaeologists in 1976. You may well meet one of the archaeologists during your visit and be able to talk to them about the latest status of the dig. One thing they are still trying to establish is why Sarazm was abandoned. Were the inhabitants attacked? Was there an epidemic? Or did they migrate for other reasons? This is still unknown. Only a fraction of the total area has been excavated, so there is plenty more to discover below the ground. Visiting Sarazm is a reminder of the long human history of Tajikistan and the country's far-reaching economic and cultural connections. Come here to walk amongst the ruins and the gorge of the past, then pay your respects to the Princess of Sarazm herself in the National Museum in Dushanbe.